Replacement Whirlpool Reverse Osmosis Pre/Post Filter 2-Pack, Fits Systems WHEROS5, WHAPSRO WHER25. System is certified to reduce numerous contaminants including chlorine, taste and odor, sediment, cysts, lead, chemicals and dissolved solids. 6-month filter life. Replace your system's pre- and post-filter every 6 months. It is essential to change your filters on time to ensure your system is working properly. UltraEase filter replacement. Change filter in seconds with just a quarter turn. No hassles, no mess, no need to turn off your water supply. Made in the USA. The Whirlpool UltraEase Reverse Osmosis Replacement Pre/Post Filter, WHEERF, should be replaced every 6 months to keep the system working efficiently and to ensure the highest quality water is available for your family. This system is NSF certified and built in the USA. All Whirlpool under sink drinking water systems employ patented UltraEase technology, allowing for easy filter change with no hassle or mess. This system also includes an easy change indicator light that notifies you when it is time to change filters. Systems WHEROS5, WHAPSRO and WHER25. Whirlpool reverse osmosis systems reduce or remove many contaminants including lead, cysts, dissolved solids, chlorine, taste and odor, sediment, arsenic, pentavalent, barium, cadmium, chromium, chromium, 3, copper, nitrate, nitrite, radium, selenium, fluoride, turbidity, ammonium, bicarbonate, bromide, chloride, magnesium, sodium, sulfide, tannin, zinc and other chemicals. Filter life, gallons, 270. Top reviews from the United States. The best in water filters. The best filtered water.